How to activate the dark mode on Instagram new version. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to activate the dark mode on Instagram new version. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, let's head over to our Instagram and you can just click on this profile icon right here in order to head over to your profile. Now, once you're in your profile, just click on these three lines up there. Then you will see these settings and privacy. So just click on that and you can scroll down and find the dark mode manually. But if you don't want to do that all trouble, then click on the search bar right here and just search for dark mode. Then as you can see, it appears right here, so let's click on that. And as you can see, it is on system default. So if I want to activate the dark mode, I can just click on this on right here. And as you can see, my system is now on the dark mode. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to activate the dark mode on Instagram new version. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.